how you can get a lot of money off on Temu, and you can get a lot of great deals. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So this is the official Temu website right here, and there you can see up to 80% off deals going on. There are a lot of deals going on at almost so many times, and you can go to the deals and see that there are up to 84%, 88%. You can get stuff a lot cheaper, and yeah, you can just browse through Temu to see sales going on. If not that, you can, if you are a new user to Temu, you will get up to 30% off on your first deals. Or other than that, if you go to the left bottom corner, you will see a coupon bundle, and all you need to do is just scan this QR code, or just get the app and then use the coupon code that is right here. Let me show you the coupon code. This is the coupon code right here, that is ACR964414. So you can use that to get up to $100 off. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys get great deals on your Temu products. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.